Hi, everybody. Mischa here with Word of the Day. And there it is, debacle. What's a debacle? A debacle is a huge failure, a complete and utter disaster. Originally, it referred to when a river breaks up in the spring, when it's iced over and the ice breaks up and the water comes rushing through, that was referred to as a debacle. And then it morphed into a figurative term that we use to describe anything that's a complete disaster. It could be your birthday party, right? Now, where does it come from? Well, it comes from French, debacle, meaning to unbar, to unbolt, to clear. And when it comes into English, it is referring, most likely, I think, to that river breaking up. It's brought into English by John Playfair, who in fact is remembered as a mathematician and a geologist. And he introduced the word debacle into English in a very important book called The Huttonian Theory of the Earth. What he did in this book was he introduced the geological theory of James Hutton as to how the Earth was formed and how the Earth actually works, and volcanoes, etc. Well, James Hutton is now called the father of geology, so this was a hugely important book. And at that time, you want to get the scene. At that time, natural philosophy was becoming science, and oh, you study rocks, okay, that's going to be geology, we'll study it like that. Oh, you study the stars, we'll call that astronomy, we'll study it like that. This is when the disciplines were sort of created that we study in school now. So how can we use this word debacle? How about this? Because of climate change, Florida has been faced with many, many weather debacles due to hurricanes, whereas in California, we're dealing with fires. Okay? Or how about this? Mary Ann's birthday party was a complete debacle as nobody showed up. Too bad. And then, kind of on a personal note here, for me, one of the greatest debacles of all time was the accidental burning of the Library of Alexandria in Egypt. Think of the things we would know. Man, oh man. Anyhow, that's the word of the day. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.